Well, Brian Shaw really psyched up here, but as you can see from the lens on our camera, it is beginning to rain, and that will be a big disappointment to the remaining competitors. The grip is so important here, and this could have a major effect.
Okay, take the strain. Ready? Ready? Yes!
Well, Brian Shaw's got body weight on his side. We know he's the heaviest competitor in the entire contest. We saw that it said 385 pounds for body weight. I'm sure it's a lot higher than that, well over 400 pounds, Paul. He's a monstrous big man at 6'8", and he has very strong legs as well. Good start. This is underway, and it's moving quicker than Ortmeyer had it moving.
Well, he certainly has accelerated, that's for sure. He's got to go over the white line, but then the plane has to cross it too. He's going. He continues to motor. Those legs are working very well indeed. Watch the clock. Travis Ortmeyer's time, 40.53. I do not believe it. That is exactly the same time to exactly 100th of a second. My goodness.
Well, I guess the difference there was Shaw had to deal with the rain. Psychologically, he knows that it's going to be harder pulling in the rain. The shoes don't stick as much. So Brian Shaw probably did the better pull, but it's equal on time.